don't have time to take a break, but also feel completely drained by 2 p.m.? In today's Thrive in 5, we're talking about micro breaks, these tiny intentional pauses that help you recharge and stay productive without ever leaving your to-do list behind. You are listening to the Thrive in 5 podcast with Cindy Gordon. This is your daily dose of productivity, motivation, and success strategies. I am here to turn your big dreams into actionable goals, one step at a time. Ready to make the most of the next 5 minutes? Let's dive in. Let's talk about one of the easiest ways to reset your energy and sharpen your focus without needing a full lunch break or vacation day. I am talking about micro breaks, little pauses that take 30 seconds to 5 minutes and can completely shift the way that you feel and function throughout your day. As a busy person, whether you're working, parenting, building a business, or doing all of the above, we tend to push through and power on. But that constant go, go, go doesn't always mean that you are being productive. In fact, without intentional breaks, your energy tanks faster. Your decision-making gets fuzzy and you start making mistakes that cost you more time. The good news, you don't need a 2-hour window to reset. Here are a few powerful micro break ideas that you can use today. Step away from your screen for 1 to 2 minutes. Stretch, walk around, just look out the window. Giving your eyes and your brain a short break increases focus when you return. Another idea is to hydrate intentionally. Don't just sip mindlessly. Stand up, walk to the kitchen, grab a glass of water with purpose. Pair it with a deep breath or an affirmation. Another idea is to do a mental reset. Close your eyes, breathe in for 4 counts, hold for 4 counts, and exhale for 4. Do this for a minute or 2 and feel the difference immediately in your energy and clarity. Another idea is to use music or a scent to change the vibe. Put on your favorite song, light a candle, or diffuse some oils. Your environment shifts your state and micro breaks give it space to reset. You can also try a posture break. Roll your shoulders, shake out your hands, or stretch your spine. It's not about working out, it's about reminding your body that you're still in it. Micro breaks reduce mental fatigue, increase productivity, and boost creativity. They help your brain reset and process more effectively. They're one of the most simplest ways to prevent burnout before it builds up. Even just 5 intentional micro breaks throughout your day can completely shift your performance and mood. To recap, if you want to implement this today, here's what you need to do. Schedule 3 intentional micro breaks into your day. Set reminders if you need to. Try 1 physical micro break. Try 1 mental and 1 environmental. Notice how you feel after each break. Is there one that resets you the best? Your brain isn't meant to run on full power all day long. These breaks are the strategy. Use them to work smarter, not harder. You've got this. Thanks for tuning in to the Thrive in 5 podcast. If you found value in today's episode, I'd love for you to leave a review. It helps more listeners discover the show. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a dose of productivity, motivation, and success tips. And hey, share this episode with a friend that could use a little extra inspiration. Until next time, keep thriving and remember, you've got this.